For autism patients, miracles are happening. Meet Dr. Patrick Nemechek, DO, a former HIV researcher and internal medicine physician, who has authored the Nemechek Protocol for Autism and Developmental Disorders. Considered by many to be the preeminent book on treating patients with autism, ADD, anxiety, and digestive and intestinal issues. This book sets out a simple, proven guide for parents to restore neurological function in their children and shares Dr. Nemechek's groundbreaking research in reversing brain and autonomic nervous system injuries that is helping children recover worldwide. This miracle approach breaks away from pharmaceutical dependence and utilizes safe, inexpensive, and natural ingredients to rebalance intestinal bacteria and nourish the brain to reverse the key features of autism and developmental disorders in his patients. With more than 24,000 Facebook likes and success stories from thousands, the Nemechek Protocol has demonstrated unparalleled success in treating autism and childhood disorders. If you or a friend is dealing with the issues of autism, development disorders, or ADD, learn how this book might help make another miracle happen. Thousands already have. For more information, visit www.autonomicmed.com or visit us on Facebook at the Nemechek Protocol for Autism and Developmental Delay.